So in this video, we are going to set up dependency injection for the Azure Functions project. So basically we can inject our services, and the Azure Cosmos DB client is going to be the first one. This is why we need it before we create the repository. So to do that, we have to install two very important packages. The first one called Microsoft.Azure.Functions.Extensions.Dependency.Injection. Is it this one? No, sorry, it's not this one. I think it's only extensions. Oh yeah, it's only extensions. Sorry, it's my bad. Those names are very long and hard to remember. So this one, yeah, we need it. Then the other one is the Microsoft.Extensions.Dependency.Injection. So okay, we got it. Then let's Extensions.Dependency.Injection. It is this one. Let's pick it. Right, okay. Okay, right now we are good to go. So the next thing is to create a new class. Let's call, it's a familiar class name for you. It's going to be called startup.cs. Startup.cs. Okay, this is the startup.cs function. So let's add using Microsoft.Azure.Functions.Extensions.Dependency.Injection. That's a long name. And Microsoft.Extensions.Dependency.Injection. So those are the two functions. This one should inherit from functions startup. So whenever you do that, you have a function that you have to override, which is the configure function. This is it. The last thing that we want to do is that we want to tell the functions runtime that this startup is actually the implementation of this one by defining the assembly attribute over here and saying functions startup, and here we define the type of startup, AK expenses tracker .server .functions .startup. What's wrong with this one? Okay, here we go. Functions.server. Nice. So this is all what you need to actually have dependency injection for your Azure functions. So right now you can register your services over here, as simple as saying .add scope and add singleton and do whatever you want to do. So basically it is as simple as that. So this is a very, very important step. So make sure to do that before we continue. So right now, the next video, we will install the Azure Cosmos DB and register the Cosmos DB client as a singleton over here. So this is a very just short but very important video. And yeah, let's build it from here.